Hey guys, Snow Leopard here today. Just a quick video before I go to bed. It's 1 a.m. in the morning. Just want to show you this cool logo I found on MacRumors.com. This is what what it's gonna be what it looks like for Nehalem processors, Intel. It's called Core i7. Yeah, just a quick little picture. You can find this picture on MacRumors.com. It's the first entry on top in the Mac Rumors tab. But today I'm not here to talk about more rumors. Here to talk about Terminal, your possible best friend. Now, Terminal is pretty useful. Terminal is this terminal. It's like Windows command prompt, and it's like Xterm on Linux. It's basically where you can do command line things. Like I could have it say max rule.
Max rule.
There you go. Yeah, so you can do a lot of things, fun things in it. Of course, it's Unix based, so you can use any Unix, pretty much any Unix command you know. I don't know many, but I can. I'm gonna do a quick. This is a capability test of the GCC compiler, which I've used very frequently for my C++ class I took about half a year ago or so. So I can have to change directory to desktop, and I C++ for hello world.cpp. I get an eight dot out file here and execute it, and as you can see here, so yeah, that's what it can do. That's the basic GCC compiler. So yeah, the GCC compiler supports a lot of well, it also supports C and also C++, so you can use a mixture of the two languages. Very useful, I found. Other than that, terminal can also ping things, although I don't use ping that often because it pings forever. It doesn't stop. I don't know if someone knows how to stop the ping. Let's say after 10 pings or 20 pings, then that would be useful. But it doesn't stop, unlike Windows XP command prompt, which stops after four pings. Yeah, so it's also pretty cool. The interface, you can change it to your liking. You can change it to, this is the basic, white background, black text. You can go to grass, which looks kind of ugly. Homebrew, which is what I have, see-through black with the green text. Novel, which it looks like a yellowish color, orangish color, tannish color with maroonish colored text. Ocean, which is blue, solid blue, white text, and you have Pro, you have Sans, Red Sans. Yeah, Red Sans looks pretty cool. But for me, I stuck with I stuck with Homebrew because Homebrew looks pretty cool. The green, it looks like an old computer. But yeah, that's just a quick rundown of features in Terminal. You can do a lot of things in it. You can move files around the old-fashioned way. You can connect to servers using FTP and SFTP, and you can SSH too. But I don't know if you can use this as an SSH program for your iPod Touch because number one, your iPod Touch is Wi-Fi and it's got a password. But I'm not saying this is why it can't work. I'm just saying that for some people who like to use visuals, you can use this to SSH. It's got the capability. Instead of using Windscope or whatever that like I Speak Apple tells you to, you can use this, but you need to have a very thorough knowledge of the commands like delete, set permissions, and that kind of thing. So yeah, that's it. And maybe I'll SSH my iPod once I hack it later on. Yeah. So thanks for watching, and just Snow Leopard here.